Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies with Coinbase, a trusted platform for buying, selling, and storing digital currencies. If you're new to crypto, this guide will help you get started and manage your assets securely. Here's how to begin. Sign up and verify your account. Head to the Coinbase website or download the app and create an account. Complete the verification process by providing your identification details to ensure account security. Explore the dashboard. Once logged in, the dashboard gives you an overview of popular cryptocurrencies, your portfolio, and market trends. Buy and sell cryptocurrencies. To purchase crypto, click the Buy Sell button. Choose a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum and specify the amount. Select your payment method, review the details, and confirm the transaction. For selling, follow a similar process. Securely store your assets. Coinbase offers a secure wallet to store your digital currencies. For added safety, consider transferring your crypto to an external hardware wallet for long-term storage. Monitor market performance. Use the app to track prices, set price alerts, and stay updated on the latest market movements to make informed decisions. Coinbase makes managing cryptocurrencies simple and accessible, even for beginners. Whether you're investing for the first time or exploring new assets, this platform has you covered. Have you tried Coinbase or other crypto platforms? Let us know your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.